How to delete your Veed account permanently. First of all, open your browser and go to veed.io and sign into your account. From the dashboard, click on your profile icon at the top right corner and select Account Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Settings menu, you will find the option to Delete My Account. Click on it. Veed will ask you to confirm your decision. Read the confirmation message carefully, as deleting your account will permanently remove all your workspaces, projects, videos, and data from Veed.io. Once you confirm, your account will be scheduled for permanent deletion. After completing this process, your Veed account will be permanently removed and you will no longer have access to your videos, project, or account settings. Now you know how to delete your Veed account permanently. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.